What is up, everybody? It's your boy Jake, aka Korean Jew Trading, and in this video I'm about to put you guys on to the secrets of making life-changing money trading altcoins. Okay, so I haven't done videos like this in a very long time, and frankly this is more of a teaser video because I'm about to start releasing the best content on YouTube when it comes to altcoin technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis. So basically I believe that we're entering a part of the market cycle where you can invest small amounts of money and come out like a millionaire in a very short period of time. And I know because I've done it. And when we look at what's going on in the charts, there's a lot of things that are indicating to me that this is your best opportunity to make a killing in cryptocurrency. So without any delay, let me pull up the charts. Okay, so the first chart that we're going to look at is Bitcoin dominance. This one's really important. If you don't know about it, you better check it out. What this does is measure what percentage of the market cap of all of crypto belongs to Bitcoin. So basically, when this is bullish, that means altcoins are bearish. And there are two different scenarios here that you need to look out for. When Bitcoin is extremely bullish and going up in US dollar, your altcoins may hold on to their value in US dollars. Sometimes they don't, but they will almost certainly lose their value versus Bitcoin. So if you're trading altcoins, the whole purpose of trading altcoins is to make more USD or more money than if you would have just held Bitcoin. And if you're unable to do that, then you're better off just holding on to Bitcoin, because you could quite literally lose all your Bitcoin value trading alts in the wrong time. But the reason why I'm doing this video, as well as launching the new series of videos, which will be coming out this week, the good, bad, and the pumpy, first video in a couple of days, stay tuned for that. But the reason why I'm doing this video is I am seeing some things here that would indicate that this is the perfect time. So maybe not exactly the perfect time. However, this is definitely a time where we want to start paying attention. Now, overall, this has been bearish because more in the beginning, there were no altcoins. It was just Bitcoin. So as more altcoins enter the market, you would expect Bitcoin's total capitalization to reduce. And this was the alt season of 2018, the one where millionaires were made, that everybody talks about. It went as low as about 35%. And since then, it's been in a constant uptrend, meaning altcoins have had their times to perform, but overall, Bitcoin has been the stronger asset. But since last September, we've been on somewhat of a downtrend here. And this trend line, which was tested here, popped above, that was a fake out, has been holding as a resistance. And you see there's a very strong move here. But overall, this is the key line to watch out for. If you get a move in dominance up to 70%, I believe that is your A1 ultimate opportunity to play altcoins. I'm not certain it's going to happen because this is looking quite bearish. That's why I'm saying you can definitely start to get in now. But let's look at Bitcoin's chart to understand what's happening. Bitcoin, this is the weekly chart, extremely bullish. This is very, very bullish. This was the area that I was looking for this move to at least kind of lose steam momentarily. However, the potential for this to go through and come up to this level or even a new all-time high is not unlikely, frankly. This can definitely happen. So in that scenario where Bitcoin continues, if it plows through and is able to get above this like $18,000 level, I think that's the key for me, 18,000. If it gets above 18,000, I think we're going to see a new all-time high. And if that were to happen, you would see this then bounce and a very good chance for this horizontal line as well as this upward trend line to be tested. You see right here, this was the key bull trap actually for Bitcoin. And back in 2017, this is when Bitcoin hit its all-time high. If it were to hit a new all-time high again now in 2020, I would expect this to get close to that level. This makes a lot of sense. So if you're in altcoins now, which I don't think is a bad idea, if you see that Bitcoin is ending up structuring out and starting to continue this bull run, I mean, you really don't want to bet against that. So this is a very strong trend, and if you see that this continues and is able to get through here without making a top, I would say that you're probably going to want to reduce your risk on alts. Use stop losses. Don't take a beating because, once Bitcoin tops out, you're going to want to have some Bitcoin on the side to pick up those alts. So the way to play this is you can take some risk. You don't want to be all in on alts. If you're 100% in on alts, you're going to be in trouble if Bitcoin continues its bullishness. And looking at the chart, there's really not much reason to believe that this will not continue. It's extremely bullish and has been since the low in March, but this is definitely resistance. So that's why, you can take some shots here, but also keep some fresh BTC on the side in case this is able to go to an all-time high, hitting this 70% Bitcoin dominance level. And that's when you really start to get, in my opinion, that's when I would start to take a lot of risk on alts, because I believe that Bitcoin showing strength is good for the market. It is the lead. It is the whole market. That's what altcoins is kind of like a derivative of Bitcoin. They will have no value. If Bitcoin were to go and dump and just be completely worthless, the 99.9% of the altcoins would go with it. So when Bitcoin shows strength, that means that the total market has strength. And, as long as Bitcoin is doing well, that gives me the insight that alts will definitely perform as well, but they need for Bitcoin to kind of let off on the gas pedal a bit. So we're going to keep an eye on these things. In the meantime, every week I'm going to be rolling out a new video called The Good, Bad, and the Pumpy, and we're going to be talking about a specific altcoin of the week. And I'm going to give you the good on them. I'm going to give you the bad, and I'm going to tell you why I think they're potentially pumpy. We're going to spend about 5 minutes talking about fundamentals and such. And then we're going to go over the actual TA behind the coin and try to give you some ideas on how to play it. So definitely keep your eyes peeled. I have one coming out. I'm excited about this one. Should be out within a day or two. The timing is right on this guy, and I'm super excited to do it again. It's probably been about 3 years since I've made a coin video, but yeah, this is what I love to do. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and keep your eyes peeled, because these videos are going to be coming out fast and furious, and you're going to want to pay attention. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good one.